Hi student, today we are going to learn about the chapter He Knows the Workman. Do you know who was King Ashoka? The King Ashoka, who was the emperor in Mauryan Empire. He was one Samrat. This story took place during the time of King Ashoka. During his time, a new temple was being built in the capital city. All the people in the capital helped to build the temple. Everyone wanted to make it strong and beautiful. Rich people gave their money. Workmen put in their best work and other help to prepare the stone and cut the timber. Everyone in the city wanted to contribute in the work and make it a great temple. One day, an old man came to offer his help. The name of that person was Jai Kishan. He was stone carver. Do you know what is meant by stone carver? A stone carver is a person who gives beautiful shapes to shapeless stones. They make beautiful statue out of stones. See, Jackie Chan also carved beautiful figures and designs in stones. But he was old and his hand shook a little. Yet he was a good workman and took great care his work. He went to the Ashoka and for asking work. King said, "Yes, Jai Kishan, you please carve a figure of a Devdutta in a corner." Students, now tell me, who is Devdutta? A Devdutta is a messenger of God. He gives advices to people. Now it was challenge for the Kishan. The work was really tough because this corner was nearly always dark. Here, no one would ever see the figure of the Devdutta clearly in the dark. People would only see the face of the Devdutta clearly. Jai Kishan made a Devdutta with a beautiful face. But this was not enough. He carved the entire Devdutta carefully. The garment of Devdutta looked thin and soft. One day, a man came to that corner. He saw Jai Kishan carving the Devdutta. He was surprised as to why Jai Kishan was taking so much pain to make the statue perfect. He asked to the Jai Kishan, "Why do you take such trouble with the garment? No one will see your work in this dark corner. No one will know who did it." Jai Kishan said to that old man, "As I know that God is seeing my work even in the dark corner, God knows me too, so I really did not care. I don't care for it, whether his work will be appreciated or not." So, student, what do you understand from this story? We understand from this story that we should do our work with sincerity and hard work, keeping in mind that God is always watching us. Even if you are not appreciated for your work, you should not get disheartened. Now, student, the chapter is finished. Let us see some exercise from this chapter. Now, student, who was the king that time? Options are Ashoka or Siddharth. Now, second one, who gave their money for temple? Now, student, find and write opposite pair from the given example. Now, I'm showing some example. Find out action word from the given example. Here, one example and answer. Now, write the example and find out which is action word from this example. Now, find out action word from the question number 4. Now, we are writing LY from the given chapter. Note down these LY words in your notebook. Now complete the sentence. Now here is the answer. Now read and write following activities. Here is the answer of activities. Some more types of workmen are here. Write as a homework in your notebook and complete and show me afterward. Thank you students. Like and subscribe my channel. See you again. Bye.